In today's video, I'm going to show you how to neatly store your ratchet straps so you never have to worry about untangling them again. So the first thing you need to do is get your long piece of the ratchet strap and start winding it up around the hook. I really like these ratchet straps here because they have this little mechanism here, so when you hook them on, they're not going to come off. So I'm almost getting this all the way wrapped up. Got a little bit left here. I'm going to go one more turn, leave this like here. I'm going to bring in the other part of my ratchet strap. And how I'm going to do this is I'm going to bring in the ratchet mechanism and I'm going to put this up here in this position. Bring this bit down and then tuck it under. You got a nice little sandwich here. This longer strap here, we're going to thread this through below the mechanism. We're not going to put it through here. We're going to put it underneath. It's a little bit fiddly, but you can pull it out through here like that. Make sure it doesn't get tangled or twisted in here. Pull that around. I'm going to hold that flat. I'm going to wrap it all the way around, capturing the bottom here, making a really nice sandwich of ratchet strap. Bring this leftover bit and put it through the hole like you would if you're going to be using your ratchet strap. Pull it through and then put it back over the normal way. Hold this tight and then use your ratchet to tighten this up. And that will secure your ratchet strap and keep it nice and neat so you don't get it all tangled when you're not using it, and then it's super easy to use when you do need to get it. If you want to see more DIY content around the home, check out this video here next.